How are you? I hope all are very well. What we are saw in the previous class? Multiplication sum, fraction sums, write the time, write in paise, write in rupees. These sums are saw in the previous class. Today what we are seeing in the class? Yes, first we are seeing the multiplication table of 2 and 3. Daily we are see the multiplication table. Multiplication tables are very useful to yourself. Do the sums very easily. The multiplication sum and division sums are do very easily. You say again and again say the oral in your home. Okay students, all are ready? Say 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. I say again, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Children, you use the time, you utilize the time and read the tables very well. Students, shall we move to do the sums? First, what sum they are gave? Convert into centimeters. Convert into centimeters. Read the sum 1 meter 20 centimeter. 1 meter 20 centimeter. Do 1 meter equal to how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 meter 20 centimeter equal to 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. First, you add the ones place. 0, here also 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Next, you add tens place. 2, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. Next, hundreds place doesn't have here, but have here 1 is the hundreds place. So, any numbers didn't have here, so you assume 0. Appa 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 100 plus 20, 120 centimeter. 1 meter 20 centimeter equal to 120 centimeter. I say again children, the given sum 1 meter 20 centimeter. We convert into the centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter 20 centimeter equal to 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. You add 120. 100 plus 20 centimeter. 120 centimeter we get the answer. We see the next sum. 4 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 4 meter equal to 4 into 100 centimeter. 4 into 100, how much? 4 0 0. 4 0 0. 4 1 is 4. So, 4 meter equal to 400 centimeter. I say again, the given sum 4 meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 4 meter equal to 4 into 100 centimeter, 400 centimeter. Are you understand, children? Okay, children, we are seeing the next sum. Convert into meters. Convert into meters. The before sum is convert into centimeters. Now we see in the convert into meters. See the first sum, 300 centimeter. 300 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 300 centimeter equal to 300 divided by 100 centimeter. 300 divided by 100, how much? 3. How will you get the answer? 300 divided by 100. 100 is 100, 200s are 200, 300s are 300. So, 300 centimeter equal to 3 meter. 300 centimeter equal to 3 meter. I say again, the given sum is 300 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 300 centimeter equal to 300 divided by 100 centimeter. 300 centimeter equal to 3 meter. 300, you divide 300 to 100. Are you clear, children? Okay, we see the next sum. What is the given number? 465 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 465 centimeter equal to 465 divided by 100. You divide 465. 100 is 100, 200s are 200, 300s are 300, 400s are 400. 400 we subtract. 5 ல 0 subtract பண்ணா 5, 6 ல 0 subtract பண்ணா 6. So we get 4 meter 65 centimeter. We get the answer. 465 centimeter equal to 4 meter 65 centimeter. I say again, the given sum is 465 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 465 centimeter equal to 465 divided by 100. 465 convert into 4 times. Appo 400s are 400. Remaining 65 you have here. So 4 meter 65 centimeter. Are you understand, children? Next we are going to see the word problems. Solve these word sums. First sum, there are 32 red pencils, 25 blue pencils and 36 green pencils. How many pencils are there in all? Listen again. There are 32 red pencils, 25 blue pencils and 36 green pencils. How many pencils are there in all? Are there in all? Now, what do you do? Are there in? There are 32 red pencils. How many red pencils? 32 red pencils. How many blue pencils? 25 blue pencils. How many green pencils? 36 green pencils. How many pencils are there in all? Are there in all? What we do? In all, what we do? Addition, subtraction, what we do? Yes, you do addition. You do addition. You add these three numbers. You add these three numbers. First, number of red pencils. Number of red pencils. How much? 32. Number of red pencils 32. Next, number of blue pencils. How much pencils have here? 25. How many pencils? 25. Next, how many green pencils? Yes, 36. Number of green pencils. How many green pencils? 36. In all what is have in your sum, you do the addition sum. In all word have in your sum, you do the addition. Okay. Total number of pencils. First we are adding the ones place. Ones place what number have? 2. 2 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 5, we get the answer 7. Next, 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 you get 13. You write 3 only here. The 1 is carrying over in tens place. The answer we get 13. 3 only you write in ones place. The 1 is writing tens place. Carrying over in tens place. Okay. 1 plus 3. How much? 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 in the next. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6. 4 plus 2 how much? 6. Next, 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 how much? 9. So the answer is 93. I say again. Number of red pencils how much? 32. Number of blue pencils how much? 25. Number of green pencils how much? 36. You add these three numbers. First you add the ones place. 2 plus 5 we get 7. 7 plus 6 13. 3 only write in ones place. 1 is carrying over in tens place. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 3 we get answer 9. So total number of pencils 93. Are you understand children? Okay children, we are see the next sum. There are 60 seats in a theatre. 25 seats are empty. How many seats are occupied? The total number of seats 60. How many empty seats have? 25. What are the remaining seats? How many seats are occupied? We are find out. What we are do? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Total number of seats 60. Empty seats 25. How many seats are occupied? So we are finding subtraction. Okay. Total number of seats. Total Total number of seats 60. Next, empty seat, number of empty seats, number of how many seats? 25. How many seats? 25. How many seats are occupied? Number of occupied seats. See children, total number of seats 60. Number of empty seats, how much? 25. Number of occupied seats. We are do the subtraction. Okay, listen. You subtract 0 to 5. No, so you borrow in 110. So you have 10 here. 110 already gave to one's place, so you have 5 tens. 5 only have here. Okay. After 5, you say up to 10. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write in one's place 5. Okay, next 2 after up to say 5. 2 after 3, 4, 5. How much fingers? 3 fingers. So you write 3. I say again, you subtract 60 to 25. First you do in one's place 0 and 5. 0 is small number, 5 is big number. So you subtract normally. You didn't subtract normally. So you borrow in 110 in tens place. So you have 10 here. The down number is 5. You say 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You write in one's place. Already you gave to 110 in one's place. So you have 5 only here. The down number is 2. You say 2 after up to 5. 2 after 3, 4, 5. How many fingers I put it? 1, 2, 3. So you write the 3 in tens place. So number of occupied seats 35. Okay children, we see the next sum. See here, 148 sheets of paper are needed to print one book. How many sheets will be needed to print 5 copies of that book? The total number of pages in one book 148 sheets. One book converted the papers 148 sheets. How many papers are wanted to need the 5 books? What we are do? We are do the multiplication. If I say one example, one chocolate cost is 2 rupees. How many rupees are there in 5 chocolates? One chocolate cost is 2 rupees. How many cost of the 5 chocolates? Yes, 10 rupees. How do you say? Multiply. Okay, one book contain 148 sheets. 5 books contain how many pages? What we are do? Yes, multiplication you are do. Okay, see here. Number of sheets in one book. How much? 148. 148. Number of sheets in 5 books. 148 into 5. We are multiplying. 148 into 5. Okay, we are do the multiplication sum. First, you multiply in ones place. 5 8s are 188. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. You write the 0 only. Remaining 4 you carrying in tens place. You carrying in tens place. Next, you multiply in tens place. 5 4s are 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 plus 4. Carrying over 4 also you add it. 20 plus 4. 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 only you write in tens place. Remaining 2 you carrying over in hundreds place. Remaining 1 you carrying over in hundreds place. Next you multiply hundreds place. 1 5 is 5. Plus carrying over 2 also you add it. 1 5 is 5 plus 2. 5 after 6, 7. 6. Okay children, I say again, number of seats in one book. One book have 148 seats. Number of seats in 5 books. 148 into 5. First you multiply in ones place. 5 8s are 40. You write 0 only in ones place. Carrying over 4 in tens place. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 24. 4 only you write in tens place. Remaining 2 you borrowing in. You carrying in hundreds place. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 7. So 746 we get the answer. Number of seats in 5 books equal to 740 seats. Number of in 5 books. Equal to 740 seats. Okay, are you understand children? Okay children, see the next sum. Arun had rupees 80. He bought 2 ice creams for rupees 65. How much money is left with him? How much amount Arun had? Rupees 80. He bought 2 ice creams. How much cost? Rupees 65. The cost of 2 ice creams 65. How much money is left with him? Is left with him. How much money he is left with him? What we do? Add, subtract, multiply. What we are do? Add, subtract or multiply. The sum have the left word have here. You do the subtraction. The given sum, the left word have here. You do the subtraction. Okay. Shall we do the sum? Arun had the amount. The total amount. How much amount Arun have? How much amount Arun had? Rupees 80. the cost of 2 ice creams. How much cost? Rupee 65. The word left is have in your sum. You should do only subtraction. Are you understand? Okay, you do the sum. 0 is a small number, 5 is a big number. So you borrow. So 110 you will borrow here. 110 already gave to one's place. So 7 only have here. You say after 5 up to 10. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? 5. So you write one's place in 5. Next you see the tens place. 6 after you say 7. 6 after 7. 1 only have. So you write 1. So Arun had the remaining amount. Had the remaining rupees 15. I say again, Arun had the total amount rupees 80. The cost of 2 ice creams rupees 65. Arun had the remaining amount. You subtract 80 to 65. 0 is a small number, 5 is a big number. So you borrow in 110 in tens place. So you have 10 in one's place. The down number is 5. You say 5 after up to 10. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get answer 5. Already you gave to 110 in one's place. So 7 only have here. The down number is 6. 6 after 7 you get the answer 1. So total amount, the remaining amount is rupees 15. Are you understand, children? Okay students, you practice the sums and say the oral in multiplication table again and again. We will meet the next class. Bye children.